Okay, welcome back. I'm just doing a couple of rows of plain weave again, or tabby, because this will kind of lock that sumac in. And what we're going to do now is I'm going to show you how to do a manipulated or graduated weft. So it's with plain weave, but rather than going all the way across all of our warp threads, I'm actually just going to stop here. So I'm going to stop wherever I want to and then go back. And then I'm going to do another row of that. In, out, in, out, in, out. But rather than finishing off here this time, I'm actually just going to stop one warp earlier. And that's going to start kind of creating a little bit of a graduation. So what I'm aiming for is a sort of triangle shape. One tip I will give you, find a pencil, is that you can actually sort of mark the threads. That's not really going to work for me, but I might just put this down here instead. You can mark the threads in the shape that you want to create, or you can draw it on your cardboard backing board, and that will give you a bit of a guide as to know when to stop your graduations or keep on going with your graduation of your shape. So I'm aiming for a bit of a triangle shape, just a rough guide. And I'm just decreasing the warp thread that I go up to every time. You can use this sort of thing doing any sorts of shapes. You can use it at any point in your weaving. It just kind of makes cool little like mountains or hills or whatever kind of shape that you'd like. Okay, so we'll do a couple more of those. Tap, tap, tap. Remember not to pull your threads too tightly on. Alright, so I'm pretty happy with that shape. I've got a little bit of string left, so I may as well just keep on going. Now, if you're wondering what to do when your string runs out, so you're not finished quite doing a shape yet, so I'm going to stop that there. There's two ways that you can change your string. You can just pull it off, trim it a little bit, and hide it around the back. Start with a new piece of thread, or you can do a double knot. So it's sort of a, I can't remember the exact name of this knot, but you can fold it over and then knot it again. What you're going to try and aim to do with that knot though is when you are weaving, try and get the knot to go at the back so it doesn't poke through on your weaving, because that can look messy.